And as you can tell by this title, we are going to be making miniature jelly cube slime. It's basically where these tiny little magical sponges are going to be put into slime. I've seen a big one being made, but I've never seen a small one being made. But this is basically getting normal big jelly cubes and just like cutting them up smaller. And I'll show you some footage of me just cutting one, just so you know what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see it, but without my hand being in the way or something. That was amazing! But this is literally the only small table I have right now, so we have to work with it. So that's basically what I did, cut up these cubes into miniature cubes. I haven't seen this being done, so yeah, let's just get on to the ingredients that you'll need for the slime. So you'll need a bowl to mix in and something to mix with. You will need some Elmer's glue. I got this at Spotlight, but you can get this at Woolworths also in Australia. Some food colouring. I'm going to be using the colour red today. Some glitter, which is optional, and some cut up jelly cubes. These are basically just big jelly cubes cut up into small ones, so you know what I'm talking about and where you can exactly get these from. I got it at Daiso for $2.80 and it comes in a bag like this. You can get bigger sizes, but this is the smallest cube size I can get. It's 3x3. And you'll also need a container to store it in.
And some slime activator, which I forgot to mention.
So let's get on to making it. So what you're going to do first is going to pour as much glue as you want. I'm going to put the whole bottle in. Okay, once you added your glue, you're going to add your colour. So I'm going to be using the end of this paddle pop stick to get the colour out, because like this is a bottle. So just going to put that in and mix. That looks really pretty. You're going to add your glitter or your scent or whatever else you want to add inside your slime. So, oh, I just think I'm going to add that how much? Did I just say that sentence backwards? I think I'm going to add that how much? Oh my god, I said I think I'm going to add that much. Activate our slime, you know the drill, and until it's a bit sticky so the cubes can stick to it. Oh my god, I love this Elmer's glue. I'm going to switch to a spatula because it might be easier to mix with it. This is good. I'll put it on the table. Okay, now I'm going to swap my bowls. By the way, guys, make sure that you go follow my slime account. It's Gorgeous Slimes, that's it, and my logo is on the front. So make sure you go add me. I'm going to be posting slime videos every single day. Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh, ice cubes. I am blown away. Should I add the whole lot? Oop. Okay, that's probably enough for this time, and then I'll come back and see if it needs more. I've never actually made jelly cube slime before. I think I did, but it was a fail, but I've looked up some videos and hopefully, oh, this has worked. Look at that! Oh my god. I think this needs a bit of activator. We're just going to add the rest of the jelly cubes, so in they go. Or maybe about that much. Yes. Listen to that. I think this is my first successful jelly cube slime, guys. I'm gonna add the rest of the cubes in. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I love this. This is like my favorite slime now. I think this is a really full jelly cube slime. This is crunchy. Like, it may look like I'm squeezing it hard, but like, oh my god. I think this has too much jelly cube. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and I don't know why you're not, because we are 4 subscribers away from 100. So please make that happen before my birthday. That would mean the world to me, and my birthday's on the 25th, if you're all wondering. So, of January, that is. So, as always, I'll see you next time. Bye!